Just before we look at the Bitcoin TA, remember you can join our trading group right now. Lifetime membership is just $200. Sign up for 12 months, $150. That's $12.40 per month. Sign up for 6 months for $100. Or if you just want to have a look for a month, it's $40. You get access to all 12 Telegram channels. Visit www.bpoi.uk. add/join if you just want to go straight to the sign up page. Once we hit 100 members, we'll be giving away $1,000 in crypto via our wallet bombs. We are offering a free channel so people can get a sneak peek of some of the things that we're doing in the group. More details coming on this tomorrow. Right, let's have a look at the Bitcoin TA. Morning guys, 9:53 on Tuesday, daily Bitcoin update for you. No real change from yesterday. We've seen a retest as expected of this lower trend line, lower support line, 40,727, and then that bounce that we had. Okay, so we dipped down, moved back up, we retested this trend line, pushed on up, facing rejection right here. Got to expect the bears to be lined up above this yellow trend line. This yellow trend line is long-term price action. Okay, we've drawn this trend line in from here, top here, taking into account this candle and then slicing right through the price action. And we can see that this is acting as resistance for Bitcoin at the moment. This is the daily chart that we're zoomed out in. So key at the moment is to break this resistance. So what we're looking for is we're looking for a break up, a retest of this trend line, this yellow trend line, and then a push off and a move higher to tackle this upper trend line of the falling wedge that we're trading in. Okay, we can see this falling wedge that we're trading in. Bitcoin needs to be breaking higher, breaking above this particular trend line. All right, so I've adjusted the chart slightly since yesterday. So what I've done is I've added I've taken out the red line that was here. Bitcoin must hold this line. I've just turned that into a strong area of support because the bulls are lined up in this area right now. So if we do see a move down to 39,592, there's a strong probability that we will see another bounce from that area. Okay, this is now the level that Bitcoin can't lose, 37,496. Okay, we don't want to be losing that level. That is lower territory and could spell a continuation downwards. Okay, this level here, 45,432, this is where Bitcoin needs to be trading. Okay, so Bitcoin needs to be here, ideally above this trend line here, so around about this area. So 46,681 is the ideal scenario that we would like to see Bitcoin trading in. But if we can just get above this level, 45,432, then I would strongly say that we'll see some long opportunities open here and Bitcoin will start to push up and move higher. Okay, so mark that on your charts. 45,432 is the area, in my opinion, that Bitcoin needs to be trading in to tell us that we're going to be in a bullish uptrend and out of this bearish downtrend that we're currently trading in at the moment. Okay, so just bear that in mind. But for now, short-term scenario, we just need to get above this yellow trend line and turn this level. So we've got this level 42,495. We need to turn this level into a support. Okay, we've just lost 42,056 again, so we can see we just keep moving above, and then losing the level. Okay, so we're just seeing a move down at the moment. Will we retest this lower trend line again, 40,727? We shall see. Let's just have a quick look at the indicators on the 4 hour. So we got the stock RSI overbought, likely to move down. We've got the MACD, looks like it's about to start turning bearish as well. We see the stock RSI moving down and the MACD moving down and then the RSI moving down, strong probability we're going to test these lower levels again. Okay, so keep an eye on your indicators, particularly these three indicators with regards to which way the price action is going to be moving. So the big question at the moment, where is the bottom for this particular downward trend? And what are we looking at? So we're looking at the bottom potentially being 39,592. So between 38,000 and 39,000, I would say, or 38,000 and 40,000. So anywhere in this area could be the bottom. Okay, it's not guaranteed, but there's a strong amount of buy activity in this area. Now, if we push down, the bottom potentially is 37,496 or this lower trend line. I'm expecting if we break lower than 38,782 for there to be a bounce in this area, and respecting the pattern, we'll continue to move within this pattern, this falling wedge, until we break this trend line. Okay, so the bottom for me is, and I'm not calling the bottom, but I'm saying it's either in this area here or it's here. If we break down past this level and have a bearish retest of 37,496, then we're going to see lower levels. Okay, we could be seeing around about 32,000 to 36,000 Bitcoin, but we are in lower low scenario with regards to the price action, and potentially we're in a much longer downtrend than anticipated. This is why there's a lot of fear in the market at the moment, because we are literally on the, have we found the bottom? No. Are we near the bottom? Yes. Could we lose this resistance level? This support level? Yes, definitely we could. If we do lose that level, then we're going to see Bitcoin move down. We don't want to be losing that level right now. Okay, so this is why trading is very, very difficult. Okay, because there's a strong possibility that we might lose these lower levels. But at the moment, we're consolidating. Okay, we're ranging, actually. We're ranging in this area. This is a 4-hour time frame, so we're ranging in this area. And what we may well find is Bitcoin will just continue to move in this area, moving across this falling wedge, okay, until which time it makes an attempt to break out of this falling wedge. Alternatively, we're going to break higher, start using this yellow trend line as support, and then make a challenge for this upper trend line. Or we're going to break down past this level, have a bearish retest, and then continue down to 37,496, which potentially could be the very bottom for Bitcoin. Okay, but we just then got to be careful that we don't see that bearish retest and move lower. What we don't want to do, keep an eye on this lower trend line of this falling wedge. So falling wedge, 68% chance that this breaks higher. Okay, if this breaks lower, parabolic drop. Okay, we can see a very, very sharp drop for the Bitcoin price action. So we do not want to be losing this lower trend line. Okay, so look at your support levels in and around this area, and then we're looking for that bounce and that move higher to the top of the pattern again and retesting the upper trend line. Just a quick look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, a bit of a respite from Bitcoin dominance. So we saw that push up. We didn't get the double top. We had a breakout of this level 4082, but Bitcoin dominance hasn't been able to hold this level thus far. Okay, so we're moving down on Bitcoin dominance, which is better for altcoin trading, but keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. If we go to the day, this is 1 hour, so if we go to the daily time frame, and I've pointed this out a couple of times, whenever Bitcoin dominance has been as low as it has been, we've seen these strong moves up. Okay, strong move up. Are we going to see strong move up from Bitcoin dominance? If we do, then altcoins will not perform well at all, and we could see a huge drop in the altcoin market cap. Okay, so just keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. We need Bitcoin dominance to be moving downwards, ideally breaking down past 39.55. Okay, let's just have a look at Ethereum BTC. Again, Ethereum BTC hasn't been doing particularly well. It's a good idea, good indication of how the altcoin market is doing and how Ethereum is performing against Bitcoin, and not doing particularly well. Ethereum USDT, okay, again, we're seeing this drop in the price action from Ethereum USDT as well, kind of falling in line with Bitcoin at the moment, but Ethereum dropped below 3,000 yesterday when we had the Bitcoin drop, just trading above at 3125 at the moment. So Ethereum is on sale, as it were, right now, but it's difficult to trade because we may see a drop from Bitcoin, which would affect the rest of the crypto market. Let's just have a quick look at the news. Not too much going on really with regards to the news that I can see at the moment. A lot of the stories are the same thing. Bitcoin briefly falls under 40,000 for the first time since September. Let's just have a look down. On the 10th January, BTC creates a longer, lower wick and bounce. Wicks are often considered signs of buying pressure. Well, we can see that from the trading action. They talk about this particular wick here. Okay, we had that drop down. Remember in the group, so YouTube guys, we post Bitcoin updates frequently and talk about videos. We talk about this sort of V-shaped recovery. So if we have a look at the 1 hour time frame, we're just talking about this drop down and then this move back up again. So V-shaped recovery, and this is where you're getting a lot of your liquidation. So shorts getting liquidated there. And it's a case of we've had that V-shaped recovery, but we've still got to hold these levels. We've still got to hold these levels of support. Yeah, we saw that long wick and the dip, if you like, the small dip was bought up very, very quickly. And we saw that very quick recovery there. Okay, so let's bring the news back in once more. And this particular wick transpired right at the 41,000 horizontal area, validating it as support once again. So this support level has been in place since August 2021. In order for the bullish BTC structure to remain intact, it's imperative that the price continues to trade above this level. Okay, so this is what we've been saying. We've been saying that although our lines are slightly different, we've been saying that 39,592 is the bottom for us, but we're just looking to maintain the price action above that particular level. We have some respite with regards to 37,496, but we really don't want to be dropping below that level. That level is, to me, a sign. If we drop below this level and then we retest this level, I think we're going to continue in this downward trend for some time. That's my opinion. If we drop below this level and then recover very quickly and turn it back into support, then I think that would be the bottom, and I think that's where you will see people starting to long Bitcoin. Okay, other than that, like we say, we're waiting for Bitcoin to move above. Let's reset this chart above this level here, 45,432, which is a breakout of this falling wedge and a break above what is going to be a serious amount of sell pressures. You have to think that the bears are lined up in this area, and they are lined up in the thousands. Okay, this is bear territory. The bulls there needs to be a lot of volume coming in for the bulls to be able to regain this level. Regardless of what's going on down here, this is the key level, as far as I'm concerned, that we need to be taking. And it'll be an interesting battle to see whether the bulls can actually do that or not. Okay, and then just back to the news again. Bitcoin returns to 42k as bets start favoring short squeeze higher for Bitcoin. There is increasing reason to believe that surprise gains, not losses, for Bitcoin will be the conclusion of the current BTC price phase, says analysts. Okay, so just keep an eye on that story. While short-term bullish prognosis were conspicuously absent on the day, attention focused on the potential for derivatives markets to spark another short squeeze. Okay, so bear that in mind with regards to the price action as you're trading as well. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Let's keep an eye on Bitcoin throughout the day, and we're just focused on this area right now where Bitcoin is finding resistance. And ideally we need to be moving above, turning this yellow trend line into support, and then pushing on to this upper trend line where we're looking to break out. Okay, once we break out of there, the big challenge, 45,432. Okay, Cheers guys, let me know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps. We post Bitcoin updates every day, and if you're in group, then we post Bitcoin updates throughout the day just to keep you guys updated on what's going on. If you understand what Bitcoin is doing, you will trade more successfully. Bitcoin controls 99% of generally what goes on in the crypto space. Okay, so understanding Bitcoin is essential to successful trading. So just have that in the back of your head. We've got a free channel, a free Telegram channel, where we post certain ideas that we're posting in group into the free channel, just to give you guys an idea of what we're doing. And we're there to support you in the free channel as well. So take advantage of that. Just go to Telegram and search for BPOI free, and then join the free Telegram channel, and we'll be able to support you within reason in that channel, and you'll get an idea of what's going on in the main channels, and also we'll be able to answer any questions that you might have. Okay, so chat soon, and let's see what happens over the next 24 hours. Thanks.